Keystone Tractor Museum. There's a lot of tractors in this place. In Colonial Heights, Virginia. So we're going to check this place out today. I'm going to take a bunch of pictures. I'll shoot some video along the way of some of the special stuff. So there you have it. Ain't that neat? Look at the old, I guess that's where so Case took on this eagle symbol. I guess that's pertaining to what we saw over here about right here was this eagle and the story of old Abe. Abraham Lincoln and all these old cases. Beautiful. Look at them. (1951) Case VAC row crop 4-cylinder. Now that thing, that really gets my attention. I like that one. That is one cool looking tractor. Yes, sir. I like that thing. That's one of my favorite ones yet. That's kind of like the old Ford 8 and 9Ns or whatever. Old truck. Look at that old tanker truck. Man, ain't that thing neat. That thing is really neat looking. Cool. Yeah, so here's some old classic Fords. The old 1947 8N classics. There's another 8N. This one's a 1952. Classic. Classic. Easy to work on. Matter of fact, I helped a friend of mine named Paul. He's got one and we rebuilt it, and it's a classic. So Ford 8N. Nice tractors. Look at there, there's Betsy's tractor. Little Cub Cadet International. Betsy Jane. Old John Deere's. All in immaculate condition. (1959, 57). Tons of collectible die cast. Wow. Wow. Look at the John Deere tractors. 1972. Waterloo boy. 50s. '36, 37, the earlier models. These things are really neat looking. 1938. John Deere Road. He's got a lot of John Deeres in here, no doubt. 50 models, 52, 52 John Deere R. Right here is one of the more popular tractors that was about back in the 50s, a Farmall Cub. Classic. What a classic.